In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new appointment package. By the end, you'll have a polished, client-ready package that's easy to find and purchase. Start on your dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down on the left side until you see the section labeled Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions, then click it to open the settings. Inside this area, find the Types section. This is where different package types live. Click New Appointment Packages to start a fresh setup. You'll see a form with all the details you need. Begin with the title. Type a clear, descriptive name like coaching session. A good title helps clients instantly understand what they're buying, so consider including the focus or length if it's helpful. Next, make it public so clients can access it. If this toggle is off, only your team will see the package, which is useful for internal offerings, but for most cases, you'll want it visible to clients. Now input the price, enter the amount you want to charge using standard numbers, keep it simple and consistent with your other offerings. After that, put a category, choose the category that best fits this package so it stays organized and appears in the right place when clients browse. Select a file to add a picture. A clean, high-quality image helps your package stand out. Square images typically display best and aim for a professional look that matches your brand. Then add a description. Use this space to explain what's included, who it's for, how sessions are used, and any key expectations. Clear descriptions reduce questions and boost conversions. Set the expiration by putting the number of days the package is valid after purchase. For example, if clients should use it within 3 months, enter 90. This sets a fair timeline and encourages clients to schedule promptly. Next, put the redeemable minutes. This is the total time a client can use with this package. If you're offering multiple sessions, enter the combined total. For instance, 3 60-minute sessions would be 180 minutes. Once you are done, take a moment to review everything. Title, visibility price, category, image, description, expiration days, and redeemable minutes. When everything looks right, click Add Package to save it. That's it. Your new appointment package is now created, and if it's public, clients can see and purchase it right away. If you ever need to update details, just return to this section, make your edits, and save.